today you will see a horse. And on another horse, you will see the nice scenic ride to a beautiful landscape. Encounters some very, very curious cows on the way, and at the end see me to find a point where I have to bike to. So after 3 days of rain, we finally have kind of nice weather again, which we use to bike a little bit and also visit our friends, the cows. I don't know if you remember it from the last time, but I found a nice herd of cows. Oh, here people are mowing the lawn. Which is good. And we encounter a horse, which is also not bad. Oh. And it's a nice day. Still a bit windy. It's still colder than it should be. But apart from that, it's nice. So here we will go off-road. Have a nice little wood here on the right side. And a nice little village down there. That's probably where we bike to. Oh, and these nice red flowers are basically poppies. They're called false poppies because real poppies are illegal in Germany. Because of the laws of the country. Yeah, it's still not as warm as I envisioned it, but at least I get a bit of sun, which is alright, and I have a bit of exercise, which is even better. Oh, I think I might also explore this way, which I just saw there. Yes, and I think my friends, the cows, are there. Let's have a look. Still very windy. I hope the filter works and you don't hear too much from the wind.
we encounter some people walking with their dog, which is nice. Hello. Oh yeah, the cows are here, so I can take a closer look. I will do when I come back, because then I can put my camera on a stick. And I can show you much more about the cows that I could do otherwise. Hello, cows. Unfortunately, I have nothing to eat. And I don't know if you're English cows and you understand English, or you are German cows, only understand German. But you look very healthy. You can see each of the cows has like a tag in its ear, so they can be recognized, basically. And they look like, in my opinion, like small cows, like, yeah, not too old, maybe 1 year old, 2 year old. How old are you? Can you say moo? Moo. No, not impressed with my cowish. All right. But still, very nice look. I think they are expecting some food. And I have to tell them no, I don't. But it's a very nice herd. I love them. They are basically my favorite cows. And some cows are much more curious than other cows. And they like to rub against other cows. It's maybe called cow rubbing. I don't know. But I love it. It's very nice. I hope I get a nice video and a nice short from my beloved cows. So, dear cows, thank you very much for being my photo model today. Hey, thanks. And now we are on the way again. Bye bye, cows. So very nice having an encounter with cows. And now it goes down here again, and we will explore another avenue, which goes up here. and shows you this nice landscape. And gives me a lot of exercise. I love the green this time of the year. Imagine like it would be autumn or winter, then everything is brown here and not green anymore. But now, very nice, very green. Thank you for being with me on this nice bike ride. I enjoy it. Ah, here we have another road again. But first, before we go on this road, get this landscape. Soft hills. Okay, a little electricity running around. A cornfield in front of us, but it's just coming up. And it is nice. I think we go a little bit on this road. Seems not too much traffic here. You also see a wind park on the left on the horizon. There are also many birds of prey here who look for, like rabbits and other rodents. And I think what I want to do is basically, as I can see, there is a way going up there to the hill. And probably from there, we have a great, great view. Just have to find out how I can get there. Because it seems here is no road which would lead me there. Only the fields. So I show you where I want to go. It is basically if you look straight ahead and up this hill. But I think I make this probably for another tour. And I take you with me on this tour too. So see you then. If you like it, just click the like button. And it would help us tremendously if you just click the subscribe button, which doesn't cost you anything, but helps us tremendously. So thank you very much and see you the next time.
Thank you for watching for my videos, and if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.